So here is one sort and filter in your Excel. You can just click on sort and filter. You will get there sorting option. If you want to sort from A to Z, sort from Z to A. If you will click on sort from A to Z, means the name from A will come at first and the name from Z will go to last, we can say. Or from Z to A also you can sort, or customized sort option is also available. You can sort by values, sort by name of the column, values also, and from order is also there. There is also customized list available. If you want to have some customized list, you can have and you can sort it. Now, wait. Simply, what I will do, I will create filter. So when I will click on filter, this type of screen will appears in front of you, and you can just have all the details over here. Now, I want only 3, 4, and 5 row ID. Rest of the things I don't want in our Excel sheet for few seconds, we can say. I would like to apply filter. So what we'll do, yeah, I can view only the row ID 3, 4, and 5 details over here. Now, if you want to remove the filter, again you can just click on it and it will get removed. Now, why we use filter? If we are having large amount of data, then we don't know where is our particular data or particular text we are having in our sheet, which we don't know, and it will take lots of time if I want to find it by scrolling down. So what we do, we apply simply filter, and after applying the filter, you can have the things. Suppose that I want to get the data of city only Alexandria and Altoona, Amarillo, Antioch. These are the 4 cities which data I want. So just I will select all those cities and just I will click OK. You will get the data of all those 4 cities only: Amarillo, Alexandria, Antioch. Rest of the data will not be visible. Like this, you can apply filter and you can have the data as per your requirement. So this is the importance of filter we are having. If you want to remove the filter, you can just remove it. Now, explaining about freeze pans in our previous lecture. So if you want to freeze only row 1, row 1 you want to freeze. So what you will do, just click below it, click in freeze pans, freeze top row, freeze top row. That row will get freeze. Now the next is, if you want to freeze, first column, you can freeze first column. Yeah, like this you can freeze whatever you want, only row, only column. Now what about the method to freeze first row and first column? As one of the students had asked in the previous lecture, how to freeze first row and first column. So again we will move to freeze pan, and you can see over here, first I will unfreeze it. Now again I will click on freeze pan. You can see over here, keep rows and column visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls based on current selection. We will select this one, and now our first row and our first column has been freezed. Means first rows has been freezed and first column has also been freezed. So these are the things which we can have with the help of freeze pens. You can freeze your top row, freeze first column, or you can have freeze pans. Freeze pans means your first row and first column, or wherever you want. If you want over here, you can freeze. Yes, freeze pan. So these pans has been freezed out here also. And if we talk about the upper part, so it has been freezed like this. So these things happens with the help of freeze pan. This is all about freeze pan. Now, what about the zoom section? What about the zoom section? If you want to have zoom for selection data, then you can just zoom it from here. Yeah, definitely it is having. Now, just I will have zoom to selection. You can just select or zoom. Now, if you want to have zoom according to your percentage, means you want to set your percentage, customize it. The maximum percentage is 400. If I'll put 500 over there, it will not take. The number must be between 10 and 400. Try again by entering a number in this range. This prompt will pop up. This pop-up will appear, we can say, and we have to write the percentage in the custom text box from range 10 to 400. So I will just put 400 over here and just I will click OK. So you can have the things like this. Now, this is all about zoom. If you want to zoom and view any data, you can have with the help of this option. Now the next is, this is all about the freeze pans and zoom. Now, here is also option filter. You can have the filter here also. Here you can, in data tab, you will get filter option available. You can just have. Now here, one more most important ribbon, or we can say functions which we are having, that is remove duplicates. Remove duplicates. So where you want to remove the duplicates? In row ID, in order ID, customer name, all the duplicates will get removed from this sheet. Whatever the duplicate, suppose that in first row we are having this data. Wait for a while. We are having this data. Again, we will have, just insert. Wait for a while. If same data you will have in your second row also, you can check. But here it is having ch, you can just put v and o. Wait, so this one is having product ID different and this one is having different. So what we can have, if you want to remove the duplicates, then there should be two duplicates in two row. Means same content will be in two row, or we can say two column. So by selecting the row name, or you can select the column name, and definitely you can remove the duplicates with the help of remove duplicates option. Now there is one formula tab over here. You can have the formula or the basic functions. Already the function library is available. With the help of function library, you can have all the things, all the formula according to your data. You can get the function from formulas tab. Now here is calculation option. This one is automatically, or if you want to have manual option, you can click on it and you can just have it. Now, yeah, this is all about the basic things. In page layout, whenever you take any printout of any Excel sheet, check page layout according to your data, according to you, what type of print you want or how much area you want in the printout. It depends on you itself, and you can have the page setup option from page layout, and you can width, height and scale of the sheet. Orientation, there you will get portrait and landslide as already I have explained. So whenever you take printout, how you want to take the printout, portrait or landslide. The next is, here is width and here is height of the pages. Whatever is the page, you can set the width of the page and height of the page accordingly. Now already I have explained about the insert tab. In insert tab you will get table, pivot table, picture, clip art, shape. Whatever the shape you want to insert, you can just have it. You can have the colors also for this shape. You can have accordingly. If you want to paste any picture on this shape, yeah, you can do. Definitely you can do. Now, if you want to have some word art, definitely you can select the word art and you can type the text over here. And just I will change the color of this text. That is, yeah, you can have this type of things with the help of insert tab. Now let us have something means about macro. What do you mean by macro? Any one of you? Just wait for a while.
Yes, sir.
Wait for a while. Yeah, wait. Let me just wait. So I will explain about the macro, how you can implement macro. For implementing macro, just go on mute. Those who are on unmute, please go on mute. Yeah. For implementing macro, in the view tab, you will get macro. But if you want to record any macro, if you want to view any macro, you have to do certain changes in your sheet, or you can say Excel file, or you can say in your MS Office. First, we have to click on the Office button over here. Then you have to click on Excel option. You can have in the popular first show developer tab in the ribbon. Developer tab is not showing in our ribbon. You can see over here. Here is not any developer tab. but I want developer tab in this sheet. But I will click OK. So here is one developer tab has been added, and in this developer tab you will get the things macros, record macro, use relative references and all. Now another setting which we have to do is again move to Excel option, click on Trust Center, click on Trust Center settings, then in message bar show the message bar in all applications when content has been blocked. So what you will do, never show information about the block content. Whenever you want to apply macro or enable macro, you have to select this one. The next, in macro setting, enable all macros. Why we enable all macros? That whenever we want to run any macro, want to have any macro in any file, then we will have to enable it. So we will enable it. Active X setting, disable all controls without notification. It is already selected. So what we will do, we will have to select enable all controls without restrictions and without prompting. So these settings we have to do, and then we have to click OK. Now let us check. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So these are the settings which we have to do. Now, if you want to apply any macro, if you want to apply any macro, so what we will do, we'll have one new sheet. Wait for a while. Yeah, sheet number 4. We are having sheet number 4 right now. And in this sheet only, I want to apply some macro. So what we will do first, we will click one new. This one is book 2. Sorry. Uh, this one is book 2. Okay. The file name is book 2. What we will do, we will save as. We will do save as. When we will click on save as, you have to write any name you can give. You can just name format or anything. Format uh, 2. Format uh, 5. Format 5. Now here you can see Excel workbook. So save as type, you can see save as type Excel workbook. So you don't have to have Excel workbook. You will have to select Excel macro enabled workbook. Excel macro enabled workbook. Now where we will save it on desktop. Let me save it on desktop. Format file workbook. Now the name of the file is format 5. Now what we will do, we will click on, wait for a while, click on macro. We will give name of the macro, that is macro 1. But we want to apply this macro on this particular workbook. So we will select this workbook over here. Then we will select create. And then this type of screen will appear. Just you close it. Already my macro has been, this is my macro. So it is saying macro name macro 2. Yes, definitely it is having macro 2. Yeah, let it be macro 2. Now
Sir,
you can customize the shortcut. I will put over there.
sir,
You all are from PGDM. So what we will do, I will just press Control Shift. Control is already there. So we will press Shift and P. Control Shift P. If you want to run this macro, you have to just press Control Shift P. Wait for a while.
सर
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
सर आपने होल स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर किया हुआ है, तो जब
Tell
भी
me.
कोई
Tell me.
पॉपअप होता है तो वो हम लोग को डिस्प्ले नहीं
Akaman,
हो
tell
रहा
me.
है।
Okay, okay, okay. Wait, wait, wait for a while. Fine. Now it is fine. Yes, tell me. Now I am sharing the screen. It is visible.
यस इट इज।
Yes.
Correct.
सो प्लीज
It is
रिपीट द
visible.
होल प्रोसेस अगेन।
Sir, repeat it from starting only.
Okay, means I have to repeat the whole
Yeah,
process.
we missed it.
Okay, fine. From the beginning itself.
Yeah, from the macro starting.
From the macro starting. Wait for a while. So why you are not prompting in the beginning itself? Well, I have completed lots of things
Sir,
and you are
it's
just saying
lagging
me right
also due
now.
to the network issue.
Okay, fine. So
So go a
if you will
bit
get this
slow so
video,
that.
okay, okay, fine. So wait. Now my screen is visible now, correct? Now my screen is
Yes.
visible.
But that
Fine.
how you bring that developer option, so I couldn't do it.
You will get the video and you can understand easily how you can find the developer video. Fine. Or shall I explain
Okay.
it over here?
Yeah, if you
Wait.
explain it once again, it will be better.